So this is my machine. I've been using it since 2012, and it's the best machine that I've found that ultrasonically cleans records. It's from a company called ultrasonicrecords.com, which I don't believe is in business anymore, but you can find homemade simple ones like this on eBay and Amazon. And I used an audio desk, and I compared it to this, which was the top of the line machine at the time. And the difference was a couple things. For one, I thought this did a better job because it allows you to make your own fluid, which is kind of an art form. And this one allows you to clean up to 6 at a time, which is very beneficial when you run a business like mine. As you can see, this is the Ultrasonic TS10L, so 10 liters of water. This cleans at 40 kilohertz, 40,000 hertz, and it is the best machine that I have found as far as quieting the backgrounds of vinyl and also getting the fidelity and the dynamics out of the records. It has a drying rack over here where it holds the records safely without hurting them and allows them to air dry without anything coming in contact with them. I run air filters here in my room, my cleaning room, and get very little dust anywhere in the room. This contraption, I'll show you in a second, is how they're loaded and unloaded. And then over here is the rest of my cleaning station, which I'll show you in a different video. Because when I do cleanings for customers and the records that I sell on eBay, I run them through an 8-step process, which is pretty advanced. But today's video is just about the ultrasonic machine. So inside the cleaning machine is the fluid that actually cleans the records. And I added a filter to the machine because I run about 100 records through the machine before I change out the water, and it does remove, you can see the dirt and the oils and the grime that's in there, and gets the water as crystal clear and clean as possible. And inside the water is a mix of rubbing alcohol, 99%, Triton X cleaner, another Virex X cleaner, and distilled water. Now the mix of those ingredients is important because that's what I've found after almost 10 years of doing this. I've found many different types of mixes, and everyone claims theirs is the best. I think mine is the best, and mine has the quietest records and the highest fidelity and dynamic range that I've found. I've tried over 100 different mixes of fluids and waters and everything else, and the one I have now is the one I've been using since 2014, and I do think it works the best. So now I'm going to show you how the machine works and how to clean a record. So, dirty record, put it on the shaft here. Now you can load up to 6. I'm just going to do the 1, so you can see. And then it fits into the slot here. And you turn on the motor that spins the record. Now I spin it at a very low rate. Some people spin it faster, but there's a control. You can control how fast or how slow you want it. I have it very slow, and I run it through 12 to 15 minutes. The water is also heated, and I heat it at 37 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Anything under 40 is good. You don't want to clean it under 20. That won't do a really good job. So now the machine just ended. I'm going to take it out. Turn off the motor that spins it. Get the excess water off there. Put it back into the mount there and unload, in this case just 1, and put it in the drying rack for about 20 minutes and then let it dry. And then normally I would run it on my VPI vacuum machine for one last final rinse using pure water, and that would be it. Now, there's a couple questions you might have about ultrasonic machines. Can they damage records? I've never damaged one in 10 years of using one. I've never found contaminants of record in the filter or in the bottom of the tank or anything like that. Some people claim that they would get rid of the high frequencies. It does completely the opposite. It expands the high frequencies and really lets you listen to what's in the grooves. What was the other thing? Another one is, can you leave the ultrasonic machine on too long where it would hurt the record or damage it or warp it or anything? And the answer is no. I've actually had some of my personal records in my collection I've let run for hours and hours to see if it would do anything to them, and it didn't. So no, I've never found an instance where that happened. So one other nice thing I liked about this machine is that it has a knob on the back that you can change the amount of cavitation that's going on from minimum to maximum, and depending on the clean level. And there's not another machine that's not like a handmade one like this on the market that I've found that has that ability. So listen to the difference. Thank you for watching my video today on the ultrasonic machine and how it works. Any questions or anything I can do for you, please leave a message for me down below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot more videos on how I clean records and how I do business. I've been doing this for 10 years using the ultrasonic machine. I don't know if anyone's been using it longer than me. So I've used all different types, I've used all different fluids, and I've really found what I consider the best way to do it. Please like and subscribe to my channel and watch for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.